Oh, get the camera to stop bobbing. Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So today I've got a Master Lock 150. I did have it to take it out of the package and give it a little bit of a pick to see what I was going to be working with. Mainly because whenever I first saw it, I figured I could use bottom of the keyway tension. But once I tried to get in there, there's too much lift on that front pin. So I had to switch and go to top of the keyway. So without further ado, let's see what kind of damage we can do. All right, Master Lock 150, picked and open.